Hello everyone, Jake Fugit here with Smartland Residential Contractors. Today we're going to be talking about basement waterproofing. Basement waterproofing is the first step you must take before starting any basement remodeling project. Otherwise, water and moisture could get into your finished basement and ruin it over time. We here at Smartland offer a variety of both interior and exterior wet basement solutions. Our promise is that your basement will stay dry always. According to a study done by the American Society of Home Inspectors, 60% of all homes in America will or have experienced a wet basement. If your basement is left untreated, serious problems can arise. Mold and mildew can have harmful effects on your family, including asthma and respiratory problems. Also, the structural integrity of your basement is at risk, whereas if it gets damp, the walls and the floors of your basement can warp. These are serious issues and you need to take care of them beforehand. So how do you keep water out of your basement? Here at Smartland, we offer a variety of both interior and exterior waterproofing solutions to keep water out of your basement. For interior solutions, this could include installing a sump pump, installing waterproof paneling, or digging French drains. For the exterior solutions, we could install a waterproofing membrane. This involves a clay that creates a waterproofing mold around the exterior of your house. How do you know if you have water in your basement? There are a variety of visual cues that can potentially indicate water damage in your basement. These include a musty smell, dampness or wetness on the walls and floor, condensation on the windows, and bubbling paint on the walls, just to name a few. How much does basement waterproofing cost? We measure it by linear foot. Here's some approximate average costs for both the exterior and the interior waterproofing solutions. For the exterior, it costs about $125 to $150 per linear foot. On the other hand, the interior waterproofing costs more around $45 to $60 per linear foot. We would have to analyze why you have leaks or dampness in your basement, and the cost will vary depending on that. The appropriate solution could vary, but may include one of the following: cement waterproofing, foundation waterproofing membrane, exterior weeping tiles, concrete waterproofing and foundation coatings, silicate concrete sealers, or basement waterproofing paint. The cost, speed, and relevance of these solutions may vary based on your unique position. There are a number of solutions for basement waterproofing for both the interior and the exterior. For more information, or if you have any questions, call the number on the screen today, and we'll be happy to help you out.